In this video, I'm going to talk about the scientific notation. Okay, 科學記數法. Okay, so it is used when the number is very large or very small. Okay, so this one would be the definition. Okay, when a positive number is expressed as a times 10 to the power n, and where a is between 1 and 10. Okay, so this number. Okay, and n is an integer. Okay, we say that the number is expressed in the scientific notation. Okay, so this one is the definition. Okay, remember that. Okay, so let's do some examples here. So for the first example, okay, 87395. OK， 咁呢個數字唔係好大嘅，基本上你其實係唔需要用 scientific notation 嘅。不過呢個只係一個 example 嚟嘅啫，咁所以我就唔作到個數字咁大啦。OK，so for this one, okay, 87395. Okay, so here you have the decimal points. 呢度其實有個小數點嘅。Okay, and then here if I move 1, 2, 3, 4, actually this one is 8.7395 times 10,000. OK， 你見到個小數點咧係喐咗4下嘅。OK， 1、2、3、4，咁呢個係萬位咁解啦。咁即係話咧，其實係8乘以10000。OK， 咁即係其實即係8萬幾。OK，so in the scientific notation we can express it is 8.7395 times 10 to the power 4. OK， 4個零。咁即係代表咧，佢係有8萬幾咁解啦。OK， 咁樣 express 嘅話咧，其實你就咁望埋去咧就好清楚啊，就即係代表咧佢係4個零，咁即係去到萬位咯。OK， 咁即係8萬幾。OK， 咁for 咧 scientific notation 其實就係 for 一啲好大嘅數字或者好細嘅數字咧，咁究竟有幾細有幾大啊？咁好難睇嘅。如果佢有好多個零啊，或者個數字咧係0.0000幾好細嘅話，咁如果我咧係咁樣 express 嘅話咧，就會清晰好多。Okay, so another examples here is a number which is small, okay, which is quite small. Okay, so you can see that the decimal point is here. Okay, the decimal point is here. Okay, and then this time you have to move the decimal point to the right. Okay, 咁數咯喎 1, 2, 3. OK， 咁數到嚟呢度啱啱好咧，你就係跳過咗呢一個數字。咁呢一個數字咧，係喺1到10之間嘅。OK，so in this case I can rewrite 3.14 times 10 to the power。由於我跳咗3下啦 ，OK， 1, 2, 3跳咗3下 ，so will be 10 to the power -3。which means that this number is quite small. Okay, so let's continue. So for point number 3, okay, if the number is already x is between 1 to 10, okay, so the answer should be very easy. You just write down 3.5 times 10 to the power 0. OK， 10 to the power 0即係代表個小數點唔需要喐啦，唔需要喐前或者喐後。不過其實呢個應該都唔會考㗎啦。咁通常都係1同埋2咧係比較常見嘅。OK，and the last one, OK, if x is smaller than 0, OK, if x is smaller than 0, then you have to write it as, OK, once again you have to see the decimal point is here. And then this time again you have to jump to the left. Okay, so 1, 2. So here would be -1.02534 times 10 to the power 2. So the negative number is very similar to the previous example. Okay, nothing special. Okay, so next, I'm going to talk about the quick practice, and then you have to do the exercise 8C yourself. Okay, so you can have a look on the remaining part in your notes. Okay, so let's do the questions together. So quick practice exponent 8. So for part A, the question asks you to express the number in the scientific notation. Okay, so very easy. So for part A, so here would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5. So it should be 6.5 times 10 to the power 5. And then for part B, okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, part C. Okay, this time you move the decimal point to the right. Okay, so remember this one should be 10 to the power negative something. Okay, so this one should be 2.5. Okay, because always remember this number is between 1 to 10. Okay, so here would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So negative 7. And then for the last one, part D is very similar. Okay, so negative. So here this one should be 3.72 times 10 to the power. So once again, this is a very small number. Okay, you have to move the decimal point to the right, so it should be negative. Okay, so we count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it should be 5. So for quick practice exponent 9, you have to change the scientific notation back to the integer. Okay, so for part A, okay, 4.93 times 10 to the power 7. So here would be you have to move it. So maybe I will write here 4.93. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So you want to so I have to write down the answer would be 493,000,000. Okay, you have 5 0. And then for part B, so again I write here negative 5.001. You have to move it to the right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I add back the 2 0. So here would be negative 5,001,000. Okay, part C, 6.72. So now you have to multiply 10 to the power negative 3. That means I have to move it to the left. So 1, 2, 3. So here would be the dot. So it would be 0.00. So it would be 0.00672. And then for part D. So the question is negative 3.69. Okay, so 10 to the power negative 4. That means I have to move it to the left. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so I have to put the dot here. So the negative, I copy it here. Okay, so this one I erase it. And then I add back the zeros. 0, 0, 0, 0. So here it should be negative 0.000369. So this is the rough work. Okay. Okay, so to do the quick practice exponent 10, there are lots of methods. Okay, so the first method is that I express this one in the scientific notation first. Okay, so if I write it, I should have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So it should be 2.475 times 10 to the power 8, and then times 10 to the power negative 5. So I have to round off. Okay, I have to round off to 3 sig fig. Okay, so if this one I round off, I will get 2.48. OK， 3個sig fig啦，3個有效數字。OK， 咁啊4捨5入，咁所以咧個5要進上去，咁啊 2.48。And then multiply 10 to the power OK 8 times 10 to the power negative 5。咁如果你記得咧law of index 咧 a to the power m times a to the power n is equals to a to the power m plus n. Okay, so here for this one would be 8 plus -5， 8加-5 ，OK， 咁即係8減5啦。OK， so the answer should be 10 to the power 3. So this one is the first method, okay? And then the second method, okay? The second method is that you calculate the questions first, okay? So here for this one, 247500000 times 10 to the power -5. So if you remember, okay, the previous example times 10 to the power negative index, it means that it moves it to the left. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So which means that the answer is 2475. Okay, 0.0. That means you don't have to write it. Okay, and then which means that it is equals to. Okay， 即係首先將呢度計咗佢係幾多先啦。Okay, and then you change it to the scientific notation. Okay, so should be 2.475. Okay, times 10 to the power 3. 因為你將個小數點咧由呢一度 move 咗上嚟呢一度。OK， 咁所以 move 咗前面3格啦。咁跟住最尾咧再 round off 2.48。OK， times 10 to the power 3. Correct to 3 sig fig。咁當然你亦都可以 correct 咗 3 sig fig 先，你先將佢轉做 scientific notation， 亦都可以。咁兩種計法其實都得嘅。OK，and then for part B，part B 咧就兩種方法，咁用邊種係比較好啲咧？咁你就望一望個數字，咁個數字咧係呢度咧，你見到佢係8000幾，即係佢太大啦。OK， 咁佢好大嘅情況之下咧，佢個小數點咧仲要向右移喎。咁喺呢個情況之下咧，我就唔建議你用呢個方法啦，因為咧你將個小數點向後移咗之後咧，跟住咧你將佢轉做 scientific notation 嘅時候咧，你又向左移，咁其實你做咗一啲多餘嘅嘢，咁咧所以咧我就會用呢一個方法咧就比較 OK 啲嘅。OK，so for part B，OK，I will write it as x.2645。咁啊，留意一下個小數點喐咗幾多下啦。OK，so 1, 2, 3。So it will be 10 to the power 3 times 10 to the power 6. Okay, so once again, the number you have to round off to 3 sig fig. So it would be 26個4字係寫啦，唔使進位啦。Okay, and then times 10 to the power. So here, once again, I use this. Okay, so I will have 3 + 6, so it will be 9 here. Okay, and then for part C. Okay, part C 咧，你見到佢個數字咧係好少嘅。OK， 咁然之後咧，你咧就要咧將佢咧向右移啦。OK， 你想將個小數點咧向右移。OK， 咁但係咧佢咧有乘以10 to the power -4， 咁即係佢又向左移喎上嚟。咁如果你有向右移、向左移，咁咪同 part B 咧係遇到同樣嘅問題嘅，就係如果你有用呢個方法嘅話咧，就又係一樣好 stupid 噶啦，因為你向右移完又要向左移，咁所以咧同樣地咧我都係會用翻咧呢一個 method 嘅。OK，so part C。So 1, 2, 3, 4. So here should be 5.298. Okay, times 10 to the power 4. And remember, you are moving it to the right. So that means you have to add back the negative. Okay, and then times 10 to the power 4 again. So here would be very easy. -4 plus -4. So the final answer here would be 10 to the power -8. And then for this one, once again, you have to round off to 3 sig fig. Okay, so would be 5.29，然後再進位，咁即係 30. Okay, so once again, you have to write down correct to 3 sig fig. Okay, sorry, I missed this one. Should also write down correct to 3 sig fig. And then finally for part D。OK， 咁啊 part D 咧就係個數字咧係好細嘅，咁你咧就需要將個小數點咧向右移。OK， 咁啊令到呢個數字咧變翻喺1同10之間。咁另一邊廂咧 ，OK， 咁你見到佢乘嘅嗰個 power 咧，亦都係咁啱咧，係喺正數嚟嘅。咁即係話其實佢都係 move 個小數點係向右嘅。咁即係大家咧係向住同一個目標進發。咁既然兩個都係向右嘅話咧，咁兩個方法你都可以用噶啦。咁而家就咁咧，我就因為第一個方法用咗好多次啦，咁我就試下用埋第二個方法再做多一題啦。So for part D。So times 10 to the power 5. Okay, that means I have to calculate this part first. So 10 to the power 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5。咁啊喐到去3後邊。咁所以呢個答案呢就係 753.92。OK。咁啊有個 negative sign 咁啊，加翻個 negative sign 俾佢啦。OK， 咁你發現咧係喐多咗啦。OK， 咁啊，其實我只係想喐到嚟呢個位就停嘅，咁所以就喐多咗。咁啊，你又要喐翻過去左邊喎。啊，原來又係做咗少少多餘嘅嘢，咁但係我覺得都 OK 嘅。咁咧 combine 咗佢先都 OK 嘅。咁啊，繼續做啦。OK，so here would be -7.5392。OK，and then times 10 to the power。OK， 咁啊喐咗兩步嘅，咁所以咧係 times 10 square。OK， 咁啊最尾咧就係 round off 啦，-7.5。OK， 咁啊 correct to 3 sig fig， 咁即係4啦，times 10 square， 咁就做完啦。OK，so once again correct to 3 sig fig。咁當然啦，如果你好眼利嘅話咧，佢雖然叫你係 multiply 10 to the power 5， 叫你向右移5格。咁但係如果你咧發現咧喐1、2、3，你見到佢喐3格嘅話咧，咁其實佢已經係 between 1 to 10嘅話咧，咁其實你已經可以知道咧個答案咧，即係我就唔好喐晒咯。咁我就咁淨係 OK 喐3格就夠啦咁樣。咁呢度佢叫你喐5格喎，咁佢唔係叫你喐3格喎，咁點算啊？咁剩翻嗰2格你咪唔好喐，咪留翻2格喺度。咁如果你咁樣嘅話咧，其實就可以簡單少少。你見到我咧，咁就會跳咗呢一個步驟。OK， 咁當然亦都可以啦。OK，so quick practice 8.11。So for part A, okay, the question asks you, without using the calculator, you have to calculate the questions. Okay, so so how to do these questions? Okay, so this number, these two value. Okay, you can multiply these two value first, and then these two value you can multiply it. Okay， 分開嚟乘嘅。咁啊4.25乘以8。OK， 咁4.25乘以8嘅話咧，就會係34啦。咁其實你唔使真係唔用 calculator 嘅，佢只不過係想你咧唔好直接跳答案啫。咁所以咧，其實呢一個位咧，即係你唔使真係做，你真係唔使咁樣做俾我睇啊，因為我真係唔係用 calculator 㗎，咁其實唔需要㗎。咁你直接咧34咧，我都 OK 嘅。咁就 times 10 to the power。OK。8 is here, -5. So once again, I use this rule. Okay, so here would be 8 minus 5. Okay, so that means 34 times 10 cube. 咁記住咧係未計完嘅，點解咧？因為呢個數字34咧係唔係 between？OK， 唔係 between 咧係1到10，咁所以你咧要做多一步。OK，and then for part B， so the numbers are very big. Okay, so once again you have to move it a little bit. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So would be 1.35 times 10 to the power 9. Okay, so here would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So would be plus 6.8 times 10 to the power 8. OK， 咁你會發現咧咁點啊？咁跟住計唔到落去噶咯喎，咁樣。咁其實咧喺呢度咧就有一個 trick 嘅。咁其實咧就係要將咧呢兩嚿嘢咧係變做一樣嘅。OK, so here 1.35 times 10 to the power 9 plus. OK, here I need to change it. OK, I move the decimal point to the left. 0.68 times 10 to the power 9. OK， 點解我要將一個小數位咧，我要再向左移多一格咧？個原因咧就係我令到呢兩嚿嘢係一樣嘅。咁佢哋一樣嘅話，咁可以點咧？佢哋一樣嘅話咧，我就可以 factorize 佢出嚟。OK， 咁然之後咧就當然係撳 calculator 啦 ，1.35 plus 0.68， so I will get 2.03 and then times 10 to the power 9。咁我就做完啦。Okay, and then for part C. So part C is very similar to part B. Okay, except this one is a very small number. Okay, that means you have to move the decimal point to the left. So once again, 6.9 times. Okay, so here I have to count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So it will be 10 to the power negative 8. Okay, and then minus 4. So here will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So it would be 10 to the power negative 9. So once again, if you can see that, okay, so these two again is not the same. So which means that you have to change it, okay? So I have to rewrite it 6.9 times 10 to the power negative 8. And then here would be minus 0.4, okay, times 10 to the power. 我哋唔喐佢9格咁多啦，我哋淨係喐佢8格啫。OK， 咁即係話你呢度其實係未到㗎嚇，未到喺1至10之間嘅。OK， so here I can factorize it. Okay, so here the final answer, okay, 6.9 minus 0.4 would be 6.5 times 10 to the power negative 8. Okay, factorize 咗之後咧就可以計到出嚟。Okay, and then for part D is very similar. So you can change it to 4.86 times. Okay, and then this one is 8.1 times. 又係一樣咧，考眼力啦，咁又係要數啦，咁數啦，1、2、3、4、5、6、7、8，咁8啦。OK, 8.1， 咁今次咧佢係 move the decimal point to the right, so it should be negative here. OK, 咁1, 2, 3, 4, 5, so here is 5. OK, 咁記住咧乘咧就同翻咧part A 咧係一樣嘅咯喎。OK， 乘嘅話，如果你有印象嘅話咧，咁就會係 A to the power m over A to the power n will be equals to A to the power m minus n。咁所以咧呢 part 咧就還呢 part 計啦，呢 part 咧就還呢 part 計，咁就同呢一個 part A 咧係好似嘅。OK， 呢個咧就還呢個。OK， 然之後咧呢個咧就還呢個。分開咁樣計嘅 ，OK， 咁除數都係一樣，咁所以咧，當然前面嗰嚿嘢你就撳 calculator 啦 ，OK， 咁4.86除以8.1，咁我撳 calculator 咧就撳到0.6嘅 ，OK times 10 to the power，OK， 8 minus OK negative 5。Okay, so would be 0.6 times 10 to the power 13. 咁你見到咧，佢同 Part A 咧遇到一模一樣嘅情況啦，就係34佢要轉做3.4，咁呢度都係一樣啦，0.6都唔得嘅，因為佢唔係 between 1同10之間，咁所以咧就會係6 times 10 to the power， 我將個 decimal point move it to the right，so here would be 12。OK。咁喺呢度咧，我就想有一個好簡單嘅 summary， 想提一提你嘅。咁啊 ，for Part A 同埋 Part D 咧，你見到佢係將兩個數字相乘同埋相除。咁個做法咧，你要記住就係分開乘或者分開除。OK， 咁啊，記住咧就係將呢度 OK group 埋係一嚿，然後將呢一度咧係 group 埋係一嚿。OK， 呢個都係一樣啦。OK， 呢兩個係將佢 group 埋一嚿，而呢兩個咧又將佢 group 埋一嚿去做一個乘或者做一個除嘅。咁但係咧 for 加減 Part B 同埋 Part C 咧，你要記住咧 for Part B、Part C 咧。如果佢係加減的話咧，你係唔能夠將佢就咁加埋一齊，或者就咁加埋一齊嘅，因為佢係條題目係先乘除後加減嘅。咁所以咧，你如果要將佢加埋一齊嘅話咧，方法只係得一個，就係要將呢兩嚿嘢變做一樣樣。然之後咧，我就抽佢出嚟 factorize 佢出嚟，咁然後咧將剩翻嘅嘢咧抄翻落去個括弧裡面，咁我先可以做到加減。咁呢個咧就係個 skills 啦。OK，咁大家咧要記住咧就係乘除 OK 就係分開咁樣做，而加減咧就係 factorize 咁做。咁呢個係咧第一個我要提你嘅summary 咧，或者一個 reminder。第二個咧，我想介紹嗰個 trick 俾你咧，就係有時咧你睇一睇嗰條題目喎。咁啊，我頭先講過啦，你要將佢變做同一嚿嘢。咁其實你唔一定要將10 to the power x 轉做10 to the power 9咁，你其實可以將10 to the power 9轉做10 to the power x 估喎咁。咁但係點解我頭先會咁樣做咧？個原因喺邊度咧？咁其實我咧係要諗一諗嘅。OK， 咁因為咧我見到呢條題目咧其實係加。OK， 咁我如果轉前面嗰個 ，OK， 如果我轉前面嗰個咧，就會變咗做 13.5 times 10 to the power x。咁然之後咧，你見到咧係冇錯啊，佢大家都係10 to the power x， 咁我而家可以將佢 factorize 佢啦，咁樣可以加得埋一齊，其實都可以做到。咁但係咧，你望下前面嗰個數字咯喎，咁呢個數字係13.5啦，呢個數字係6.8啦。如果佢又要加埋一齊嘅話咧，咁即係話咧，佢會計到個數字咧一定係大過10啦。咁即係意味住咧，我個 final answer 咧又要將佢再做多一次 scientific notation。咁其實咧就做多一步咯。OK， 咁所以咧我會先諗一諗，到底我係轉前面嗰個定轉後面嗰個。咁咧，如果呢一條題目呢一個位咧，如果係減的話 ，OK， 如果係減的話咧，咁我咧就會係轉前面啦，因為13.5減6.8嘅話咧，咁你發現咧係會smaller than 10嘅，係喺 between 1 to 10之間。咁所以咧喺呢個情況之下咧，如果係減好的話咧，我就會轉前邊咯。OK， 咁所以 Part C 咧都係同樣道理啦。OK， 咁點解我會選擇咧係轉後邊而唔轉前面咧？都係同樣道理嘅，就係6.9減0.4嘅話咧，咁你見到個數字咧係 between 1同10之間。咁但係咧，如果我嘅做法係唔同嘅，我咧係轉前面嗰個咧，咁你諗下喎，69乘以10 to the power negative 9，冇錯，你都係可以 factorize 佢出嚟嘅個10。to the power negative 9你都可以 factorize 出嚟，咁但係你咧就見到咧係69減4，咁即係話個數字咧就亦都係一樣大過10，咁跟住你又要再做多一步咧，將佢轉多一次 scientific notation， 咁其實就好煩嘅，咁所以咧就如果你係可以思考到究竟轉前面先定轉後面先咧，其實就可以省卻多你一個步驟咯。Okay, quick practice 8.12. So here, this one is the application problem. Okay, 咁睇下條題目講咩啦 ？The total cost. Okay, so this one is the total cost, and then the population is 8.5, and then the question asks you to find out the average cost per person. So once again, if you do not know anything, okay? You can't read English, okay? You don't know anything, okay? Just focus on the last sentence is the cost per person, okay? 個 cost per person。咁其實如果你有學到 rate and ratio 嘅話咧，佢已經話咗俾你聽個單位係咩，咁基本上你應該唔會除錯㗎 ，OK？ 你應該唔會咁都除得唔啱嘅，咁所以咧自己唔好講話唔識英文咁你放棄佢，咁所以咧你自己睇一睇啦 ，OK？1 million 你應該都識㗎啦，係咪？咁百萬富翁咁應該都有聽過嘅，咁呢個 hints 咧即係考DSE 梗係唔會同你講啦。OK， 咁所以咧呢啲簡單英文你應該都 OK 嘅，我估。So here for the average cost. Okay, so here would be 1.7 times 10 to the power 11. The cost, okay, per person. So that means divided by, okay, 8.5 times, okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So it would be 10 to the power 6. Okay, so once again, I use my calculator. So 1.7 divided by 8.5. So here would be 0.2. And then times 10 to the power 11 minus 6. So that means 10 to the power 5. And then remember, this one can't be the final answer, okay, because 0.2 is not between 1 to 10. So here would be 2 times 10 to the power 4. Okay, remember here you have the dollar sign. Okay, 記住咧 unit 唔好俾我扣分。